that's a first for me. I've been here for 16 years.
Imagine working on an engine of a vehicle brought in for servicing and you hear a strange sound in the engine. You wonder what's going on. You keep hearing noises, but you haven't discovered the source. All you could identify is
It's tucked in there pretty good.
the tech who was assigned to work on the vehicle kept digging and digging around. And finally, this is what he found.
Calm down, buddy.
When the weather is cold, they try to find warm places to sleep and hide, and we see it more to customers that live, in desert areas or, where there's some empty lots.
Whether this rabbit snuggled up to the engine at the dealership or near the owner's home, it's lucky to be alive.
Because it was a hybrid that he was in, if he chewed or nibbled any of the electrical wiring in there, it could have really caused some damage.
But the rascally rabbit didn't. And after checking it over to make sure it wasn't injured, it was released back into the wild. The rabbit had its moment of fame among the techs and the staff at Findlay Chevrolet.
Yeah, they were pretty excited they got it out. Everybody had their phones, was videoing it. It was pretty cool. They were able to save the guy and pull him out.